All right, so hustle versus systems. All right, hustle's grind, CEO's bill. Use maintenance logs, use rate calculators to really get the best, really look at your numbers and really putting out the best rates. I know a lot of times, companies just call you, hey man, we got a job, it's going for 100 an hour. Well, you don't have to always take that job. If it's not profitable for your business, it's not smart to go out there and take it, especially if it's a job that's one day. Nah, don't do it because the risk involved. You may go out there, yeah, maybe 100 an hour, and I'm just using these numbers. 100 may be good for you, but let's say if it's not, but you're going out there because you got the mindset of hustling. I got to keep the truck. I got to keep the wheels running. I got to keep the wheels turning. And you ain't ran all week, and you're like, dang man, I need to go ahead and get this money, man. And you go out there, $100 an hour. It's not really profitable, and then you end up blowing a tire that costs you $800. Now you in a deeper hole because of the risk. So you really got to just look at the risk, look at your numbers, and know when to if it's a good job to take. And hire help when needed. Again, if you need some help, we can help you. Not from a stance of running your business, no, but we can point you in the right direction of help if you need it.